Greetings to all the fellow adventurers and RV enthusiasts tuning in to the Daily RV Life YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into the wonderful world of RV and dry camping. As we embark on our journey, it's essential to understand what dry camping is all about. Dry camping refers to camping without any hookups to external electricity, water, or sewer facilities. It allows you to connect with nature in a more primitive setting. One of the first things to consider when preparing for dry camping is having a reliable power source. If your RV is equipped with batteries, ensure they are fully charged before you head out. Solar panels are also an excellent investment as they harness the power of the sun to recharge your batteries throughout the day. Water is another crucial resource while dry camping. Make sure to fill your freshwater tank before you depart. Conservation is key, so be mindful of your water usage. Consider using water-saving techniques such as taking shorter showers and using biodegradable, eco-friendly products when cleaning dishes. When it comes to waste disposal, you'll need to be self-sufficient. RVs typically have built-in wastewater tanks. It's vital to monitor these tanks and empty them at designated dumping stations to avoid any issues. As you begin your dry camping adventure, keep in mind a few essential tips and tricks. First, scout for the right camping spot. Look for well-established campgrounds that permit dry camping or seek out dispersed camping areas in national forests or Bureau of Land Management, BLM, lands. These areas often offer breathtaking scenery and a sense of solitude. Pack all the necessities you'll need for your trip, such as extra food, a first aid kit, and proper camping gear. Carry a map, compass, or GPS device to navigate the surroundings and avoid getting lost. Lastly, but most importantly, always practice leave no trace principles. Respect nature and leave your camping spot as you found it, minimizing your impact on the environment. We hope these insights into RV and dry camping have sparked your sense of adventure and inspired you to roam the great outdoors. If you want to learn more about living a fulfilling RV life, don't forget to subscribe to the Daily RV Life YouTube channel. Until next time, happy camping.